El sábado por la noche, Alina y su amigo Roberto van a su restaurante favorito en Tampa. When you look at this sentence, this is the beginning of the story about these friends going to a restaurant. And as you look at the story and you start reading, you have to ask you always who, what, where, when. If you pay attention to the beginning, it says el sábado por la noche. It tells you cuándo, when, cuándo el sábado por la noche. Alina y Roberto. Who goes to a restaurant Saturday night? ¿Quién? Alina y Roberto. Alina y Roberto van a su restaurante favorito en Tampa. ¿Qué hacen? What is what they do on Saturday night? They go to their favorite restaurant. And where is the restaurant? In Tampa. I just want to be sure that you understand the importance of, as you read, find out who, what, when, where, why, because this is what is going to help you to understand. Maybe you don't understand 100% of what this reading says, but you should understand the context. So as you look at the context, please always ask you the questions who, what, where, when, and why. And that is going to help you to find out the answer. So I'm just asking you to be sure that you read carefully before answering the comprehension questions in today's assignment. Thank you.